Broom.
The word broom refers to a household cleaning tool typically made of a bundle of bristles or fibers attached to a handle. It is used for sweeping or cleaning floors, carpets, or other surfaces. Broom can also be used as a verb, meaning to clean or sweep using a broom. Here are a few examples of how broom is used in different contexts. 1. Noun usage. She grabbed a broom and started sweeping the kitchen floor. I need to buy a new broom because the old one is worn out. The janitor used a broom to sweep up the broken glass. 2. Verb usage. I need to broom the patio before our guests arrive. He broomed the dirt off his shoes before entering the house. She brooms the classroom every evening after the students leave. In addition to the literal meaning, the word broom can also be used metaphorically in some idiomatic expressions. For example, to sweep something under the carpet, broom. This means to hide or ignore a problem or issue rather than addressing it. Example: the company tried to sweep the scandal under the carpet, but the media eventually uncovered the truth. Overall, broom is a versatile word that is commonly used to refer to a cleaning tool and can also be used as a verb to describe the act of sweeping or cleaning.